Galapagos Islands, Ecuador's living library. Far out in the Pacific Ocean, nearly 600 miles west of Ecuador, lies a world unlike any other, the Galapagos Islands. Born of fire, shaped by isolation, and celebrated as nature's grand experiment. These islands are a living laboratory of evolution. Today, we journey across volcanic landscape, swim alongside rare creatures, and uncover the story of how this remote archipelago changed science forever. Geological origins. The Galapagos were forged millions of years ago by underwater volcanoes. Lava rose from the ocean floor, cooled, and created islands that still shift and grow today. Some islands are young and rugged, others ancient and eroded. Together, they form a chain that tells the story of Earth's restless geology. Here, the land itself is alive. Black lava fields, smoking craters, and towering cliffs remind us that creation is never complete. Wildlife wonders. Isolation gave birth to extraordinary creatures. The Galapagos giant tortoise, weighing up to 250 kilograms, roams slowly across the highlands, living for more than a century. Marine iguanas dive into the sea, the only lizards on Earth that feed underwater. Darwin's finches, small birds with diverse beaks, become the key to understanding natural selection. Blue-footed boobies dance with comical elegance, while flightless cormorants prove that wings are not always for flying. Even penguins thrive here, the only ones found north of the equator. Each species is a masterpiece of adaptation, shaped by the island's harsh yet nurturing environment. Conservation and challenges. Today, the Galapagos are an UNESCO World Heritage Site, protected as both a national park and a marine reserve. Yet, challenges remain. Invasive species threaten native wildlife. Tourism, though carefully managed, brings pressure to fragile ecosystem. Climate change alters ocean currents, affecting food supplies for seabirds and marine life. But there are success stories too. Giant tortoise breeding programs have revived population once near extinction, and marine sanctuary safeguard sharks, turtles, and whales. The islands stand as a global example of how conservation can success when science and community work together. Humans encounters and Darwin's legacy. For centuries, the Galapagos remained uninhabited. Pirates, whalers, and explorers occasionally stopped here, but it was Charles Darwin's visit in 1835 that changed history. Observing subtle difference among finches and tortoises, Darwin realized that species evolved to survive in their environment. His insights become the foundation of on the origin of species, revolutionizing biology. The Galapagos become not just island but symbol of discovery, curiosity, and the power of observation. Ecuadorian connection and local life. The Galapagos are part of Ecuador, a nation proud of its stewardship. From Quito, travelers fly to the islands, entering a world where human presence is carefully balanced with nature. Local communities live as eco guides, fishermen, and caretakers of this fragile paradise. Their lives remind us that conservation is not just about protecting animals but about sustaining cultures that coexist with them. As the sun sets over volcanic cliffs and giant tortoises march slowly across the land, the Galapagos whisper a timeless lesson. Survival depends on adaptation. These islands are more than a destination, they are a mirror of life's resilience, a reminder of our responsibility to protect the planet's diversity. The Galapagos Islands, Ecuador crown jewel, remain a living laboratory where the story of evolution continues to unfold. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos.